Hey beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to totally change the way you look at this tiny, humble product that almost all of us have lying somewhere in our homes. Vaseline is not just a lip balm, it's your secret beauty weapon, and in this video, I'm sharing 20 amazing beauty tips and tricks using Vaseline that you probably had no idea about. We're talking about skincare, hair care, makeup hacks, glowing skin tricks, and even some clever DIY beauty secrets that'll make you wonder why you didn't try them sooner. So if you're looking to save money on expensive beauty products and still look like a glowing goddess, this is the video for you. So grab your jar of Vaseline, get comfy, and let's dive right into the magic. 20 Vaseline beauty benefits you need to know now. Now let's get started. 1. Ultimate Lip Balm. Vaseline locks in moisture and keeps your lips soft, smooth, and protected. Apply daily for pillowy soft lips. 2. Lash Conditioner. Before bed, apply a light coat to your lashes. It strengthens them and promotes healthier growth. 3. Brow Gel Alternative. No brow gel? No problem. Smooth a bit of Vaseline through your brows for a defined, slick look. 4. Natural Highlighter. Tap a tiny amount on your cheekbones, brow bone, and nose for a subtle, dewy glow. 5. Makeup Remover. It easily removes waterproof mascara, lipstick, or eyeliner without irritating your skin. 6. Cuticle Softener. Massage into your cuticles to prevent dryness and peeling. It also promotes healthy nail growth. 7. Elbow and Knee Softener. Use Vaseline on dry, rough areas like elbows and knees. It softens and smooths them overnight. 8. Perfume Booster. Apply it to your pulse points before spritzing perfume. It helps the scent last much longer. 9. DIY Lip Scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar to make a gentle scrub. Use it twice a week for soft, flake-free lips. 10. Cracked Heels Treatment. Apply generously on cracked heels before bed and wear socks. You'll wake up with baby soft feet. 11. Glowing Legs Hack. Mix Vaseline with highlighter or shimmer and apply to your legs for a radiant shine. 12. Mascara Reviver. Dry mascara too? Add a dab of Vaseline to the wand and swirl. It helps revive the formula temporarily. 13. Hair Dye Stain Barrier. Apply around your hairline before coloring to prevent stains on your skin. 14. Fix Makeup Mistakes. Use a cotton swab with Vaseline to correct smudged eyeliner or lipstick with precision. 15. Lipstick Base. Apply Vaseline before lipstick for smoother application and to avoid cracking. 16. Glossy Eye Look. Apply a tiny amount over your eyeshadow for that trendy wet, glossy eyelid look. 17. Under Eye Moisturizer. Dab gently under your eyes at night. It hydrates and locks in moisture, helping reduce fine lines. 18. Tattoo Aftercare. Vaseline is often used on fresh tattoos to keep the area moisturized and promote healing. 19. Flyaway and Frizz Control. Tame baby hairs or flyaways with a small amount of Vaseline. Perfect for sleek hairstyles. 20. Shaving Cut Healer. Got a shaving nick? Apply Vaseline to protect the skin and speed up healing. Which one are you trying first? Tell me in the comments below, and if you've got your own secret Vaseline trick, share that too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a glow up tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.